Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install the latest version of Eclipse IDE on a Windows operating system and run simple Java programs easily on the IDE. So start by liking the video and subscribe to my channel and follow along with the video. So let's get started. Now open your favorite browser and search by typing in Eclipse IDE download and hit enter. Here click the first link from eclipse.org. This opens up the official site of Eclipse. So simply click on download. This redirects you to this page where the latest version of Eclipse is available for download for your operating system. So simply click on download once more and it starts downloading our Eclipse IDE. Once the download is finished, simply double click on the setup to install. This opens up the Eclipse installer. Now here you can see many available use case options for the IDE, like Eclipse for Java developers, for enterprise and web developers, for C or C++ developers, and many more. So for now, I'm gonna show you how you can use Eclipse IDE for Java. So simply click on the first option, Eclipse for Java developers. Here, simply click on this drop down button and select the latest version of Java, which in this case is Java 21, and this will install Java on your machine. If you also want to install it separately, you may watch my detailed video on how to install Java 21. Alright, so now this is the default directory for the Eclipse IDE we are installing. So keep it as it is and make sure that these options are checked and simply click on install. And it starts the installation process. Wait for some time until the installation is done. Now the installation is finished. So simply click on this launch button to start our Eclipse IDE. Here it shows where the workspace is selected. So keep it as it is or you can change it if you like and finally click on launch. So this launches the Eclipse IDE correctly and it also redirects you to the Eclipse donation page where you can donate for the developers to encourage. Now let's directly jump into our Eclipse IDE. So you can see that this is our interface of Eclipse IDE where it contains resources and procedures you might want to read sometime later. Now let me show you how you can easily create a Java project. So close this welcome note and here you can see that there are options like create a Java project, create a map project, create a project and import projects. So you can click on this create a Java project link and that opens up a window where you can create a project, or you can also simply go to file, then new and create a Java project to do the same. Now let's name the project as Hello World and here you can see that Java is selected by default and this create separate folders for sources and class files is selected. So that's totally fine. And here create module for Java file is also selected. I don't want to create it for now. So uncheck it and simply click on finish. This creates the project here. So here simply right click on the source file and hover over new and click on class to create my class file. Now name the class Hello World. Here the modifiers public is selected, none is selected, that's fine. And down here select this public static void main option as it's pretty important to automatically create our main method. Now everything looks fine, so simply click on finish and it's gonna start creating our class. So here you can see that our hello world.java class is created and opened right here. So now here type in system.out.println hello world. Now save it and simply click on this run button to run the code. This shows you the output hello world down here on the console. Alright, so this is how you can easily install Eclipse IDE so that you can start coding with Java comfortably. Hope that was helpful and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials.